I will in this video show you how to fold and store the AirHawk lightweight foldable electric wheelchair in an SUV. I will do so using a few different techniques so that you can pick and choose your options. The AirHawk is a lightweight foldable electric wheelchair similar to the Falcon. Weighs 25 kilos, folds manually with a little clip. I will in this video be using extendable telescopic ramps. And this is a good option for someone that doesn't want to go into vehicle modifications, but they want to be able to get the chair in and out of the vehicle. So these telescopic ramps, just press a button on the side and it will allow you to turn them. One and one for the other side. So again, just have a little clip on the side, press that in, that will allow you to extend the ramp. At the moment the chair is on, so I will show you how you can drive the chair up into the vehicle. I'll just lower the speed and I will just line it up with the ramp and drive it up. There we go, when it's roughly in that position, I will just fold it. What I did there, I'll show you again, I did it a bit too quickly. So that's the little releaser, as soon as I press that forward, it allows me to fold the chair, and that's about it. I will flick it into manual mode, that will allow the wheels to roll freely. I'll turn the chair off, and I'll just give it a push the last bit to get into the vehicle. And then I'll just collapse my telescopic ramps. And there you have it. I'll bring it out the same way and then I'll show you the second way of getting your chair in and out of the vehicle. So I'll roll it back to the same position roughly, put it in electric mode so it doesn't roll off on me. I'll turn it on and unfold the chair. Now I'll just grab the joystick and I will drive it. The benefits with doing this way is that there's no risk of the chair rolling back on me. It's less hazardous of falling as the automatic brakes engage as soon as I let go of the joystick. So I can decide exactly how fast I want it to roll back. And if I'm concerned with anything, I just let go and it will stop. Let's say that you haven't positioned your telescopic ramps perfectly, you're worried that one of the wheels is going to come off, you can do your adjustments. Right, so that's one of the ways of getting your chair in and out. The other way is simply manually pushing it up. So I'll turn it off. I'll put it in manual mode by pushing the two red levers forward. I'll just fold the chair. The way you fold the chair, same as before. Release the clip, and there it is. I'll just line it up and give it a push. Once inside the vehicle, fold your telescopic ramps. That's number one. And there you have it.